Here I have Huawei Y5 2018 and let me show you how to wipe cache partition on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's choose here power off and wait until your device will be ready to use. Then let's use the following combination of keys, power key and volume up. Let's hold down together those two keys for a couple of seconds. Keep holding both keys. And release them as soon as boot mode pops up. Here you can navigate by using volume up and confirm options by pressing volume down. So let's choose here recovery, the first option, and press volume down to confirm it. So let's wait until the HUAWEI recovery mode pops up. That's it. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. So let's scroll down here to highlight wipe cache partition and press power key to choose it. The device right now is formatting the cache files. Your personal files won't be affected. As soon as HUAWEI pops up again on the screen, let's choose the first option, which is reboot system now, and press power key to choose it. And the device right now is restarting and booting into a normal mode. Excellent, the home screen pops up. Now you can unlock the device and start using your phone. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave a thumbs up under the video.